Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. This is Chwana. So in this tutorial, I'm making a very simple skirt for a toddler. This is my 1 year old daughter's skirt. Let's get straight to the tutorial. So these are the materials used. I'm using a quarter of yard of kente, an African print fabric, a measuring tape, elastic of 1 inch width, basically that. Okay, so I have the piece of the kente here. Now, this is actually me um, the hip, multiplying the hip by 2. So that is what I used like this. Then I'm going to fold it up like this. I'm going to fold it up like this. Now, for the length for the skirt, which is 10 inches, I'm going to add additional inches for the waistband and then for the folding at the hem of the skirt. Okay, so like I said, 10 inches. Now for the waist, I'm adding 2 inches, making it 12 inches. I'm going to add 2.5 for the folding at the down part so that when she starts growing taller, then you can able to lose it and then increase the length for the skirt. So that's basically it. So I'm going to use my iron to fold this up. Now for the down part, I'm first of all folding in 1 inch. Then I'll press it down all the way to the other end of the fabric. Then I'll fold up again 1.5 like this because we added 2.5 for the folding at the hem. So I'll fold up again 1.5 and then press it down as well. Now I'm just remeasuring to make sure it is accurate. So that's it for the hem of the skirt. So I'm going to fold up the top, which is going to be for the waist elastic band. So first of all, folding in half inch like this. First of all, folding half inch like this. Remember, I added 2 inches for the waistband. Okay, so I'm just folding up half inch like this. Then give it a press. Then I'll fold up again 1.5. Then I also flat iron it like so. So that's basically, this is very simple. This is very beginner friendly skirt. All right. So after this being done, I'm going to take it to the same machine and then stitch it down. I'll stitch it from one end to the other, and same for the hem of the skirt as well. Okay, so that is it. That has been done. Now this is the elastic. Her waist is 17, so I deducted 2 inches from it, making it 15. And I'm going to add 1.5 for the seam allowance. So that's basically it. So that makes it 16.5. Now I'm using my safety pin to insert through the elastic. Then I'm going to use that to pass through the waistline. So carefully push your safety pin through the waist loop. Push it through while pulling out the fabric, as you can see me doing. So while doing that, please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. Like this video if you haven't liked yet. Share this video to your friends and family, and kindly leave a comment if you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Now upon reaching the other end of the waistline, I'm going to secure it with a pin like this. Then I'll take out the safety pin. Then I'll carefully um, pull out the fabric and then allow the other end of the elastic to pass through this. Do this carefully to avoid the elastic from entirely entering the waist loop like so. Okay, so when you reach here, secure it also with a pin like so. I did this, I secured it on the wrong side of the skirt because you're going to be joining this on the wrong side of the fabric. So I'll take the same machine and join this with 1 inch seam allowance. Okay, voila, our skirt is ready. This is very simple. If you have a toddler, if you have a daughter, you have a niece, you have, I mean, this is for beautiful girls. So just make this out and leave in the comment section how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.